Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of Dare Talks. And for this episode, feeling ko marami sa inyo makaka-relate dahil it's about leaving high school. Senior high school and entering college. So before we start, let us introduce our guests for today. Please introduce yourselves.
Hello, I'm Zach, David's friend.
Hi, I'm
And-
Veronica. I'm also David's friend.
Yes, so itong dalawang tropa ko, si Zach and Veron. Yan, lagi ko sila nakakasama after school and sa lahat ng side quests namin. So, how was high school for you guys? Masaya naman ba?
For me, it was really fun naman kasi with friends and yung mga after-school gala and kahit may mga homeworks, gagala pa rin. Pero we're doing it together naman.
Ikaw, Zach.
I mean, I agree with Veron din na high school was really fun. I think one for the books talaga. Because, this is the time where you're able to like really have those good connections with your friend group. I mean, I haven't entered college life yet, but I think my high school life was really great and it was really fun.
Oo, kasi parang lahat ata ng matatanda, laging sinasabi na high school yung parang pinaka-golden years nila, laging natatandaan nila. Sa inyo ba, what's the best experience or most memorable experience na, you had in high school?
Okay. I do actually agree with what my dad says or like what your uncle says, diba? Na parang high school life is one of the like the mga friends. You're really gonna have friends there that will last forever daw, hopefully. But yeah,
What's
ako,
the most memorable?
it's the most memorable. I do really agree with that. And then for me, I think one of the memorable stuff that I had during my high school life was having friends. Having friends like David, Veron, because it was really great that we bonded a lot and we had those ups and downs, but we're still here together.
Meron ka bang like specific moment na hindi mo makakalimutan? Kunyari, sa kantin, ganun, naghaharutan.
Specific moment.
Mm.
I think yung
Naglaga na.
I think bawal yung iba eh. Pero I think what I can remember lang from now is I think yung mga when we always plan to go out,
Na
na hindi natutuloy. Yeah,
Oo.
hindi natutuloy. Pero it was really fun planning hangouts with my friends. Lalo na we're even planning to go to Japan pero until now wala pa
Wala
din.
pa.
For me, everyday naman memorable kasi pagpasok ko ng classroom, masaya kagad. Like, magkukulitan kagad pagpasok. Tapos, aasa rin ako. Ako yung pinakahuling papasok sa classroom, tapos kung ano-ano na kagad gagawin. So, everyday talaga memorable. Tapos, yung pinaka-memorable is yung nabook namin na yung Boracay trip namin after so many plannings.
Ayun, yung after Boracay na trip.
Yun talaga
Okay.
yung pinaka-memorable kasi ilang days or like from the start pala ng grade 12, pinaplan na natin yun di ba?
Sama-sama pa tayo nun eh.
Yeah.
Sabay-sabay tayo nag-celebrate. Okay, so, di ba, best naman. What's the worst? Yung pinaka, gusto nyo kalimutan pero di nyo makalimutan.
I wouldn't say it's the worst because I'm grateful that it happened pa din. Pero yeah, mga worst things na nangyari was I think yung nahirapan ako in ACADS or lalo na on orgs and stuff. Pero I don't regret it though. Pero yeah, some of those stuff.
Yung orgs, yung mga sinalihan mo mga clubs and search in, di ba? Mga ganun. Ikaw, Veron, what's the worst experience? Parang, ma-mention nata tayo dito.
Same as Zach naman, yung
Sila
mga...
David po, worst experience.
Opo, yun nga pa. Joke lang. Same naman as Zach, yung mga academics naman, yung lalo na pag physics, di ba? Pag di mo alam kung papasa ka ba or hindi, pero papasa naman kasi sama-sama kami. Tulungan naman kami everyday, so yeah.
Ako, sa inyong dalawa, meron ako, good and bad moment sa inyo. Sino unahin ko sa inyo? Sige, si Zach. Most memorable moment natin was yung after school, kumakain tayo. Nagde-date tayo, dalawa lagi. Sa Tender Bobs, naalala mo ba yung mga yun? Parang laging, parang hindi ko na ata kailangan ng girlfriend Halito na si Zach. Siya na lang yun.
Parang nahalata tayo ngayon.
Nahalata ata tayo. Tapos, worst experience sa'yo?
Parang lately lang
Parang
ata.
recent lang yun
Hindi, wala naman. I'm really grateful sa lahat ng mga, tsaka walang worst experience sa friendships, I believe
I
Test
do
lang
agree with
yun. Alam ko, test lang yun eh. Pero kung may one moment na gusto ko kalimutan, siguro no wag ka na i-mention. Bawal i-mention. Si Veronica na lang. Sa'yo naman is, nung gumakalimutan na na-discover ko yung favorite drink ko sa Starbucks. Nasa physics kami nun. Tapos, umiinom ng kape si Veronica kasi lagi siya umiinom ng kape. Tapos, natatapon.
Tapos nakikiinom.
Ano mo? Coffee. Tapos, oh my gosh, masarap ito. Tapos, araw-araw, lagi na kaming tandem nagadala ng kape. Tapos, worst experience ito, wala din. Diba? Kasi, that's friendship, you know? So, let's go to changes. Changes naman. Can you compare yourself what you were nung pumasok kayo ng high school? Tapos, kung ano kayo ngayon? Ano yung naging change sa inyo, sa tingin nyo? Then and now.
Change? For me, nung pumasok ako nung LaSalle, grade 11, I was really... Zaka. I was really quiet and mahiyain ako medyo. Medyo pa. Pero nung as time goes by, like, pag may namimit akong friends, lalo na yung mga classmates ko, like, parang naging outgoing naman ako and parang naging medyo maingay na rin. And yeah, parang naging comfortable na rin ako sa mga tao and I learned to open up a little to some of them.
Okay, I have a comment. Kasi, yun nga, kasi 'di ba dati nonchalant ka and ngayon medyo So, I just wanna say na I'm really proud of you. Kasi nung nakilala kita was sobrang tahimik ni Veron. Tapos, wala siyang kaibigan sa klase, kawawa naman siya. Lagi siya nakayuko, naka-heads down. Sabi ko, oh my God, parang loner naman to. Walang kumakausap sa kanya. Pero, after, ngayong magkakilala na kami, sobrang ingay na siya yung hindi na mapigilan yung buhangan. Parang ayoko na kausapin.
Okay.
Joke lang. Pero yun nga, nakaka-proud naman na ang laki ng pinagbago mo na parang nag-broke out ka sa shell mo. Ganun. Ikaw, Zach.
Wait. Before I answer the question, I actually do agree with you then na parang, I actually, history check. I just met Veronica when we went out ng Bara and we actually, coming friend group, there's others more na parang we really bonded as a whole talaga. Pero yeah, parang from what David said nga to her, it's just really heartwarming nga. Kasi I do actually see na parang, kahit pinagtitripan namin si Veronica parate, they do it out of love nga. And yeah. Pero ako naman, comparing then versus now, I would say there's improvement. Yeah. I think there is improvement talaga. Comparing myself from before. I mean, I think every day naman we do change a lot by maybe 1%. Pero yeah, comparing myself before was really different from who I am right now.
Nung nakilala kita, alam mo ba, first impression ko sa'yo?
Ano yan?
Nung nakilala ko si Zach, parang nakakaki
Oh,
pa siya.
I know this.
Nerdy hair, sobrang haba. Akala ko, sino tong nerd na to? Hindi naman sa Hindi naman sa, ang sumawa to na yung pakinggan. Pero, parang akala ko si Zach nun, yung nerd na nakikita mo sa class na,
Yun ba yung sa Christmas party?
guys, my name is Zach Kasum.
Yun ba yung sa Christmas party?
Nag-meet tayo sa Christmas party.
Oh,
Sino
yeah.
to? Tapos, ayun, bigla ka nilang nag-tour tayo sa Lasal. Tapos biglang ngayon na close na kami, bigla na lang siya pupunta sa bahay ko. Bigla na lang, itong dalawa, bigla na lang pupunta sa bahay ko.
May susi kami sa bahay niya.
Nagugulat na lang ako, kaya sobrang laki ng nilaktaw ng friendship namin.
Yeah.
Doon bukod sa, diba, changes sa self nyo. Sa changes in friendships. Kasi for sure naman na ngayon, marami tayong mga nawalang friends, marami tayong naging bagong friends. paano nyo dinil yun? Anong naging ano nyo dun? Ano masasabi nyo dun?
For me, talagang gano'n naman talaga. Nagdi-drift naman talaga lahat. Like, yung mga grade 10, tapos grade 11. Siyempre, mawawala na yung mga bond nyo. Yung parang, wala na kayong mga similarities. Wala na din kayong parang mga, yun nga, wala na kayong mga similarities sa isa't isa. So, parang, magdi-drift apart talaga kayo no matter what. So, yeah.
The question is about friendship, right? Drifting apart. I think, yeah, I somehow kind of agree with Veronica na parang there's times na parang, you know, there's stuff na it isn't meant to be talaga. Pero I think there's friends talaga who just stays there, you know, like who is really God given to you, or yeah, you know, like God's gift to you. Na parang you have these friends who you can lean on. They'll stay to you until even after college. So those are the people talaga you should really, you know, keep to your heart talaga. Pero there are times then na friends do go, but yeah, I mean it's part of life too.
Sa akin naman, kasi same friend group tayo, di ba? And, parang naiyak ka na. Uy. Kasi, we've been friends for maybe 4 years na ata. And ang dami nating parang napagdaanan as a whole friend group. And masakit, sobrang sakit na mawalan ng mga kaibigan. Kasi, di ba, ang dami ng memories na ginawa. Pero at the same time, ayun nga, mapapa-that's life ka na lang na people come and go. And, siguro, lagi namang hindi natatapos ang story doon. Malay mo kasi mag-reconnect tayo sa college.
Yeah, that's so true. Yeah.
Diba, sa adult life. So, as far as, you know, hindi ko masyadong iniisip na sakit naman mawalan ng friend. Kasi minsan, blessing in disguise din yun. Pero, ayun, I'm really happy of the people na friends ko ngayon. Sa'yo, sa Zach, Veron. So, ayun, kontento na ako sa inyo. I love you guys. What's the biggest lesson or biggest na natutunan nyo sa high school life nyo?
You wanna go first? Okay. Biggest lesson. That's a big word. Biggest lesson. I think the biggest lesson that I got from my high school life was, you know, just be who you are. Like, you know, there's times talaga na you have to like, how do I say this in words? But there's times kasi na parang you aren't really who you are during your high school life. And sometimes na-fake mo na lang yung
when you
yung-
try to fit in, ganun.
yeah, trying to fit in. That's the exact word, yeah. And you know, parang I think that was things din na parang I learned medyo late because you know we haven't really bonded a lot. Like from what David said, na parang there's parts in our friend group that we drifted, and I didn't really recognize that. You know, I thought of that as just some small problems, but it was actually big. So you should really savor savor your high school life. So yeah.
Okay, meron na ako.
Meron ka na?
Same as
Yes,
Zach na rin.
recitation.
Parang be yourself lang and accept who you are. Parang sinabi niya. Ginaya lang no? So parang doon mo makikita kung sino talaga yung nandiyan para sa'yo and di mo kailangan mag-fit in or mag-iba para lang makasabay sa kanila. Kasi kung sila talaga yung para sa'yo, tatanggapin ka nila kung sino ka man. Yeah.
Yeah. Ako, medyo contradicting yung ginagawa ko sa sasabihin ko. Pero I wish I would have done it sooner na to try and do as many things as possible nung high school. Kasi ako, kilala niyo naman ako na lagi akong busy, hindi ako masyadong lumalabas or nakikipaghangot sa inyo, which I regret. Kasi ngayon, di ba, bihira na lang tayo magkita. And so, I think the biggest piece of lesson I learned was, habang high school ka pa, lumabas kasama yung friends mo. do as much galas as possible, go to many restaurants or places, magtagaytay kayo, ganun. Eh ako, hindi ako nagpapaalam eh. Or lagi akong busy. Kaya minsan kapag wait lang. I don't like this episode.
Pwede tayo mag-research.
From the top.
Let's go na.
Kasi minsan, nakikita ko kayo na nag-hangout. I'm happy na you guys are also happy. And sometimes I would wish na sana nandun ako para man lang na-enjoy ko yung high school ko. Pero, kaibigan ko pa rin naman kayo. It's not like mawawala kayo. Sana hindi. And yun nga. I think hindi din siya lesson eh. Parang naging regret ko din na I wish I hung out more with you guys. I wish I spent more time with you guys. Or said yes more. Ayun. I don't like this episode. Bakit na kayo umiyak?
Yeah. You're right about that talaga, I think ako din, may pagkakakulang din ako sa high school life ko na I didn't really do so much things. I mean, look at David here. Hindi kami masyado nakahangout during our senior year. Pero, yeah, that's one of the lessons talaga na we had, natatak sa puso namin. Na kaya ngayon, we're doing a podcast and we're always going out na din. So, yeah.
Kayo, nung last day natin sa school, ano naramdaman nyo? I think that was the most painful day na experience ko. So, actually, it was also the longest day na parang ayoko matapos yun. Kayo, ano na feel nyo nung last day?
For me, last day,
or kahit graduation?
If I would describe it in one word, I think it would be bittersweet. Because, I actually didn't expect na ganun talaga yung impact sa akin. Na I would get so emotional talaga. Yung the day when I took a step on that stage, parang I was already ending my life sa high school life, Parang it was actually, gagraduate na pala tayo. And I wouldn't see the same faces na at the hallway na parang kayo, you would walk to me, we would go to recess together, we would eat lunch together. Parang I wouldn't see that na very often. Kaya I actually cried then during my graduation. Kaya it was really a bittersweet moment for me.
Yung si Veron. Ano yan eh? Ano yan eh? Napaka, nonchalant si Miss, hindi umiiyak.
For me, I was really sad and parang nakaka-shock din na parang nakarating na rin tayo sa point na yon. Kasi parang after all that, isang araw lang tapos na, diba? So parang wala nang papasok everyday, wala nang mga kulitan sa classroom, wala nang tawanan, wala nang mga random gala or asaran sa canteen, diba? So parang I was super sad din. Pag uwi ko, umiyak ako nun eh. Syempre, di ko papakita sa inyo. Nonchalant ako eh.
Ganun si parehas na skip eh.
Syempre, kunyari, okay lang ako, diba? Pero, I was really sad, bro. Parang, ayoko na rin matapos yun kasi parang yun na talaga yung last day. Yeah.
Kala mo hindi nag-count ng Boracay pagkatapos ng graduation eh, no?
Yeah, kanti.
Now that we're done with that part of our lives. Siyempre, nakaka-miss. Siyempre, may new chapters na tayo ngayon. Now that we're entering college, anong expectations nyo? Anong mga kinakatakot nyo? Anong nararamdaman nyo na ngayon napapasok na kayo sa college?
I think for me, I'm expecting it's gonna be hard. I mean, college is college, right? So, I think I'm expecting it to be hard para, I could prepare more often too.
Mm-hmm.
And, yeah, I think there's gonna be fears coming on that path, in college life. It's like, parang you're back to start. Parang, this is your time na parang you can do something about your college life. Kasi, it's not like the same as grade school and high school na
Oo.
parang consistent na parang in one school, right?
Tsaka yung people, di ba?
Yeah,
Ang
the people,
daming
yeah.
classes, daming makikilala.
So, this is a different page na parang, this is, we're gonna meet a lot of opportunities, a lot of fears, a lot of maybe problems. But, I think it's for the better of us na din. So, yeah, I do really expect a big portion, in college. So, yeah, I hope we can handle that.
For me, yung expectation ko, syempre, mahirap. College yun eh. And parang, syempre, nakakatakot yun. Syempre, iba-iba na yung mga friend group na makakamit mo and yung mga tao, 'di ba? Parang same as Zach din. Pero yeah, siguro kakayanin naman. Pero mas serious na to kasi college na. Iba-iba na yung mga class na, 'di ba? Parang hindi unlike sa high school na parang one class lang and parang you're on your own na talaga and you have to be independent. So yeah.
Alam niyo, may naalala ako bigla. Yung, wala ka dun eh. Pero may ginawa ata hindi ko alam kung si Jaja or si Skip ba yun. Yung 10 years from now, sa Julia ba yun? Gumawa sila ng 10 years from now, amin na ba? Wala ako dun. Pero, 10 years from now, and mahilig ako sa mga ganitong tanong eh. Makakausap mo yung future self mo. What's your message to them?
My message 10 years from now, I hope successful ka na and you're happy and living your life. Short lang.
10 years from now,
Rich.
I mean, that's one of the dreams talaga. Pero 10 years from now, I hope you're happy on what you're doing. I'm not really expecting a lot. Kinda. I'm kinda not expecting a lot from you. Pero I hope you're just happy and living your life to the fullest. So yeah.
10 years from now, pinapanood tong podcast ito ng mga sarili natin. Sisingit ko lang. Diba, may message na kayo sa self nyo. What's your message to your friends? Kasi, ayoko naman maging negative, pero hindi natin masasabi. Baka bigla na lang mag-drift or mag-separate. What's your message to your friends?
My message to my friends is sana we're still friends. Okay, sana we're still friends or kung hindi man, sana okay kayo and masaya kayo. Kinalimutan nyo na ako. And yeah, I love you guys.
I hope, even though na parang, let's use the word drift kasi kanina ginamit ni David. The term na drift, parang maybe there's times na parang we're gonna drift then in college since we don't have the same college na. Maybe there's some in DLSU, CSB, and others. It's a big percentage now we might drift apart too, and maybe have new friends then. But I hope you guys should also, remember our experiences then. Like if ever you need help, you're just one call away from me or maybe others too. Because I'm definitely sure na ganun, that's how they feel too.
Ako may message ako. Pero, sa inyong dalawa. Kasi syempre tayo na magkakasama. So, Zach, okay, iyak. I hope that matupad mo yung mga dreams and mga goals mo. And kung sakali man na hindi na tayo maging friends, I hope na hindi tayo ganun ka separated na hindi mo na ako tatawagan para manghingi ng tulong. And I hope that love finds you also kasi alam ko naman na you're really full of it. And that you'll treat a girl really, special. And, yun. And Veronica, ha ha ha. Gusto ko mapaiyak to eh. Veronica, I hope na you keep being yourself right now. I'm really proud of your progress as a person na you're more open to people and you're more open to experiences and new friends And sana mas marami ka pa maging kaibigan na, pagkakatiwalaan mo talaga fully. Kasi alam ko naman na mapili ka sa kaibigan. And, I know what kind of friend you are. And say Skip na nagka-cameraman dyan. Hindi ka makakatawa sa akin. I hope na kung ano mo yung mga silent battles na pinagdadaanan mo ay maging mas open ka sa amin kasi dito lang kami para sa'yo. And hindi ka namin iiwan or hindi ka tayo iiwan. Okay lang. And ayun, sarang eh. So, as we go to our last part of this podcast, what is your advice to the graduating students who are listening to this podcast right now? Those high school students na nasa last years na nila or maybe entering, what's your message for them?
For the juniors out there, I think I'm not full of advice naman, pero just coming from mistakes that I had, I think you should not take it too deep yung senior life nyo or high school life nyo. Just live your life in your high school life. Because, it's like a one-time thing then eh. You can't really go back to your high school life when you graduate na din. So, just keep your friends, have fun with them. Like hanging out with your friends, or if you guys are planning a trip or going out on the mall, you guys should go na. If you guys haven't got that Baxilog food together, you guys should go na then. Because senior life is really so fast to the point that in a blink of an eye, wala na to. You're already graduating. So that's what happened to me then. So yeah, I think you just have to live your life, have fun, because that's a one time thing. So yeah, just be there with your friends. Things are the dreams that you want to do with your friends, or what makes you happy. Because high school life is gonna be so fast. So yeah.
Parang sinabi mo naman sa
Ay, sorry.
Okay, my advice is, you only live once, so
Parang mamamatay naman na yung
So,
mga viewers natin.
so gawin nyo na lahat ng gusto nyo gawin sa high school. Huwag kayong magnano sa mga kahit dyan lang sa tabi-tabi, kahit si Green Hills man lang yan or something. Or yung mga out of town plans nyo, ituloy nyo yan. Or yung mga out of the country nyo, kahit ano pa yan, ituloy nyo yan. Because mabilis lang yung high school nyo. And yung mga moments nyo dun sa classroom, i-savor nyo yan.
Wala na ako masyadong masasabi. Just live life with no regrets, spend time with your friends and do as many things as possible. So I hope marami kayo natutunan, guys. And thank you so much for tuning into this episode. Comment down below kung may gusto kayong gaming topics or itakal. And thank you, Veron, Zach, for doing this episode with me. Thank you, guys. Bye!